I hope that you all have done worksheets. In last video, I gave you 2 worksheets. So I hope that you all have done the worksheets. If you have not done, do it. Okay. Now today we will start chapter 5, singular and plural. What is singular? Singular means one and plural means more than one. So what is the definition? Nouns that are 1 in number are called singular, and those that are more than 1 in number are plural. Singular means 1 and plural means more than 1. Okay, now let us revise. Let us correct these plurals. You must have done singular plural in class 2 also. So let us correct these plurals. I am writing wrong plurals on the board. You have to correct. Buses. Is it correct? No, this is not correct. The correct one is B-U-S-E-S, buses. Okay, next to come brushes. Is it correct? No. The correct spellings are B-R-U-S-H-E-S, brushes. Next is mangoes. This is not correct spellings of mangoes. The correct spellings are M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Then sheeps. This is not correct. The plural is sheep. Singular is also sheep and plural is also sheep. One is also sheep and more than one is also sheep. Then tooths. Is it correct? No, this is not correct. We don't call tooths, we call teeth. Then foots. This plural is correct? No, this is not correct. The correct one is feet. So, I hope all these are clear. Now, I will tell you some rules how to make plural by singular. Children, I have written some rules on the board how to make plural. Many nouns can be made plural by adding s. For example, boy, boys, book, books, chair, chairs. But nouns that end in ch, sh, o, double s and x form their plural by adding es. Again, nouns that end in ch, sh, o, double s and x form their plurals by adding es. For example, church, I missed C, church, churches, brush, brushes, bus, buses, potato, potatoes, fox, foxes, dress, dresses. So children, these 2 rules are clear to you. Many nouns can be made plural by adding s. Some nouns that end in ch, sh, o, double s and x form their plurals by adding es. Nouns that end in f and fe are made plural by replacing f and fe with ves. For example, leaf, leaves. In place of this f, we will write ves. Thief, thieves. We will replace this f with ves. Wife, wives. In nouns that end in a consonant before the final y, the y is replaced with ies. Means the word ends with y and before y consonant is there. The consonants and vowels are clear to you. The final y is replaced with ies to make their plural. For example, baby, in place of this y, we will add ies. Family, families. Butterfly, butterflies. These 2 nouns, I am repeating, children, these 2 rules. Nouns that end in f and fe replacing F and FE with VES. Then in nouns that end in a consonant before the final Y is replaced with IES to make the plural. In last rule, I told you in nouns that end in final Y, but before the last letter Y, consonant is there. We add IES, but in this rule, in nouns that end in a vowel before the final Y, means the letter before Y is vowel, we will just add S to make their plural. For example, toy, toys, monkey, monkeys. So don't get confused in both these rules. Clear? Now, some nouns do not follow any rules while forming their plural. For example, woman, women, child, children, ox, oxen, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, man, men, person, people. So you can see here that these nouns do not follow any rule. So you have to remember, you have to learn. Don't write woman, womans, ox, oxes. So you have to learn all these. Clear? Children, earlier I told you that the nouns which end in O, we used to add ES, but there are some exceptions. Radio, piano, video. We will not add ES. We will simply add S. Radios, pianos, videos. Clear? These exemptions you have to remember. Now, here also, I told you that the nouns which end with F, we used to add VES, but there are some exceptions. Hoof, hoofs, dwarf, dwarfs, and we can also add VES also, that dwarf. Both are correct. Then this roof, roofs, chef, chefs. So children, these exemptions you have to remember. Clear? Some nouns do not change in their plural forms. For example, sheep, one is also sheep, many are also sheep. Singular is also sheep, plural is also sheep. Luggage, knowledge, news, furniture, deer, fish, money, aircraft. They are same in singular as well as in plural. Then sometimes we use a plural noun for one thing that has two parts joined together. For example, scissors, jeans, glasses, trousers, pants, shorts, etc. These are parts, or they are joined together, but we use plural forms in case of singular also. Some plural nouns refer to a group of people, animals or things. For example, clothes, stairs, goods. Then, note. We can use a pair of to refer to one. For example, I bought a new pair of jeans last night. And we use pairs of to refer to more than one. For example, I bought 3 pairs of jeans last week. These nouns take a plural verb. For example, my jeans are old, my trousers are wet. They take a plural verb. Now let us do exercise. Children, now look at this exercise. Rewrite what you have to do in this exercise. Rewrite these sentences after correcting the incorrect plurals. The plurals are incorrect here, so you have to correct the wrong plurals. His foot are dirty. Foot are dirty. No, this is wrong. So, what is correct answer? His feet are dirty. Let's come to next one. My pants are torn. Pants are torn. No. My pants are torn. I told you pair of. My pants are torn. Then next one, third one. The wolves were howling. Look at the spellings of the wolves. This is wrong. The wolves. W-O-L-V-E-S. The wolves were howling at night. Let me write few more sentences. These three are clear, children. Now, fourth one. Trees shed their leaf in autumn. Leaf in autumn. Children, what is wrong here? Trees shed. The correct answer will be trees shed their leaves in autumn. Leaves in autumn. Now next one. Cats always chase mouses. This is incorrect plural. Cats always chase mice. The correct plural is mice. Now last one. This is last. The dog guards the sheep in the barn. B-A-R-N. So what is wrong? Which plural is this is wrong, children. I told you that singular is also sheep and plural is also sheep. So what is the correct noun? The dog guards the sheep in the barn. So this is correct plural. Children, we have done some of the sentences we did, but I have given you sentences in PDF. That is your worksheet, that is your homework. So do your homework regularly. That is for you. That will help you a lot. So now there are two types of nouns. Countable nouns. In this chapter we will also read about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Can you tell countable nouns? Yes. The nouns which can be counted are known as countable nouns, and uncountable means the nouns which cannot be counted are known as uncountable nouns. So these two nouns I will tell you. Yes, countable and uncountable. The nouns which can be counted are countable nouns. The nouns which cannot be counted are known as uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are oranges, pens, pencils, rubbers. Uncountable nouns are milk, we cannot count the milk, rice, soap, juice. But uncountable uncountable nouns can be made countable by using a partitive. Clear? Now what is the partitive? The partitive is used to show that only a part of the whole of something is being referred to. For example, a packet of biscuit, a slice of bread, a jar of jam, a dollop of ice cream. Now here is a list of uncountable nouns which can be made countable by using partitive. I am reading this list, and I have given this list in PDF also, so you all have to learn that. Is it clear? So I am reading this list for you. Biscuit, a box of biscuit, a packet of biscuit, a tin of biscuit. Blood, a drop of blood. Bread, a loaf of bread, a piece of bread, a slice of bread. All these are correct. Then butter, a knob of butter, a lump of butter. Cake, a piece of cake, a slice of cake. Cardboard, a sheet of cardboard. Cheese, a slice of cheese, a wedge of cheese. Chocolate, a bar of chocolate, a box of chocolate. Coffee, a jar of coffee. Dirt, a speck of dirt. Dust, a cloud of dust, a speck of dust. Furniture, a piece of furniture. Glass, a pane of glass. Grass, a clump of grass. Lemon, a slice of lemon, a wedge of lemon. Light, a flash of light, a ray of light. Oil, a drop of oil. Paper, a piece of paper, a sheet of paper, a strip of paper. Rain, a drop of rain, a trickle of rain. Rubbish, a pile of rubbish. Salt, a grain of salt, a pinch of salt. Soap, a bar of soap, a cake of soap. Sugar, a cube of sugar, spoonful of sugar, packet of sugar. Thread, a length of thread, a piece of thread, a strand of thread. Now children, a dash of milk, a bottle of milk, a dash of tea, a cup of tea, a dash of juice, a jug of juice, a dash of bread, a loaf of bread, a slice of bread, a dash of soap, a bar of soap, a dash of chocolate, a piece of chocolate, a bar of chocolate, a dash of flour, a bag of flour, a dash of cheese, a slice of cheese, a dash of toothpaste, a tube of toothpaste. I have given this exercise. First of all, you have to study this list given in PDF, and then you have to do this exercise in that same PDF, and I have also given you this exercise. Rewrite these sentences after correcting the incorrect plurals. You have to rewrite after correcting the plurals. And one more thing, I'm also sending prefixes in one PDF. You have to learn all these prefixes. What is a prefix? Let me explain what is a prefix. Prefix. Sometimes we add a letter or a set of letters before a word to change its meaning. Such letters are called prefixes. Pre means before. The words which we add before. Common prefixes are un, mis, ir, dis, im. These prefixes help to form the opposite of the words. So, I have given some of the prefixes in that PDF. You have to learn the prefixes given in that PDF, and you can also make your own words with those prefixes. Okay children, that's all for today. Now I request you to do these worksheets regularly so that you can if you will do these worksheets regularly, this will help you in making the chapters clear. But if you will not do your work regularly, that will create a problem for you. So please do your work regularly.